आरआरबी पैरामेडिकल का जो आपका पेपर हो रहा है, इसमें से एक पार्ट आपका जनरल साइंस का होता है, जिसमें से आपके टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। इस वीडियो में देखेंगे प्रीवियस ईयर जो आपके पेपर हुए थे उसके रिगार्डिंग जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चन कवर किए गए हैं। तो आप वीडियो पॉज करके एक एक आंसर करेक्ट देना और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना आपके कितने क्वेश्चन करेक्ट हुए हैं। बाकी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, इसी तरह के आपके और भी वीडियो आते रहेंगे।
The number of chromosomes in human being is A 4, B 46, C 23, D 48. Right. The vertebrate animal that has gizzard in the alimentary canal is dot A lizard, B frog, C pigeon, D rat. Right. Mutation can be induced by A temperature, B chemicals, C radiation, D all of these. Right. All of the following foods lack vitamin D except A. Cheese, B. Milk, C. Meat, D. Rice. Human fertilized egg is implanted in the uterus on A. 10th day, B. 8th day, C. 6th day, D. 4th day. Which of the following is most important for the growth of children up to the age of 14? A. Protein, B. Vitamin, C. Fat, D. Milk. Right. The body of pigeon is covered with A. Hairs, B. Scales, C. Feathers, D. Horny matters. Right. Human heart contains A. 4 chambers, B. 3 chambers, C. 2 chambers, D. No chamber. Right. While hearing a sound, this part of the ear is vibrated. A. Pinna, B. Auditory meatus, C. Tympanum eardrum, D. Ear ossicles. Intelligence of man is due to A. Size of the brain, B. Weight of the brain, C. Number of folds present in the brain, D. Age. The blood circulatory system in animals was discovered by A. Louis Pasteur, B. Edward Jenner, C. William Harvey, D. William James. Right. Poison of snake can be removed by injecting A. Penicillin, B. Insulin, C. Antivenom, D. Saline. Right. The human excretory organ is A. Heart, B. Kidney, C. Skin, D. Liver. Right. Human beings respire with the help of A. Heart, B. Gills, C. Lungs, D. Skin. Right. Anaerobic respiration may occur in A. Presence of oxygen, B. Absence of oxygen, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Right. The enzyme pepsin digests A. Starch, B. Sugar, C. Protein, D. Fat. Right. Heredity is the transmission of physical and mental traits. A. From parents to offspring through basic units called genes. B. People inherit characters from their children. C. Parents transmit their good characters to their children. D. The transport of characters from one generation to another. Right. All of the following foods lack vitamin C, except A. Cheese, B. Milk, C. Meat, D. Guava. The yellow color of vertebrate urine is due to the presence of A. Bile salts, B. Urochrome, C. Uric acid, D. Melanin. Bodybuilders are A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Glucose, D. Fat. Right. The total organic matter present in an ecosystem is referred to as A. Biomass, B. Biosphere, C. Biome, D. Biokinesis. The physical basis of life is A. Nucleus, B. Cell, C. Protoplasm, D. Food. Right. The largest part of the human brain is A. Medulla oblongata, B. Cerebrum, C. Cerebellum, D. None of these. Right. Dialysis is used for the treatment of A. Kidney failure, B. Heart weakness, C. Brain diseases, D. None of these. Right. Which one of the following organisms belongs to phylum Annelid? A. Frog, B. Earthworm, C. Housefly, D. Crow.